Good morning, welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. This video is only for education and learning purpose. If you want to buy anything, please consult with your financial planners before buying. Before going to the Wednesday prediction, I would like to review the Tuesday's market. Nifty ended up in the positive 18,006, 33.85, 35 points, 20 points in the positive, 0.19% in the positive. Opened in the flat around 18,606, which is well above the pivot level, so which is in the volatile zone, but somehow the high is not broken the key level of our volatile zone stop loss, 18,658. Even in the volatile zone first level stop loss also not able to break that particular level. So plus it was clearly inside that particular stop loss range, those levels, and after that it started to fall down. The low is also not broken. The volatile stop loss for the bearish 18,575.50 is the low, and it was matched in the support level 2 as well. So it is within the constrained range and closed in the flat positive itself because of it is not broken either side, so that it was struggled the entire day. Let's go to the prediction for Wednesday. We have one bearish warning signal. So normally bearish warning signal rule, it might go fake downfall and then start to go up 18% of the time. So one euro zero you can bet in the call option side, buy on dip method, but it has to treat as a hero zero. Because why? Because sometimes what happens is the fake fall will come and the small recovery is that, then again after a certain high keeping perfectly, then it's fall down as well. So that this method, hero zero buy on dip method, you have to take it as a hero zero. So you need to play only with hero or zero method, and the remaining 20% of the time it still fails, so that we need to play with the cautious note. And we have four bullish indicators as well. So if the fake downfall and start to go up, means we can expect this particular 18,702 to hit if this happens like that, because this monthly target now we are considering as weekly because of the points are very less. So it might have the potential to hit. And we have downside targets heavy, which is 18,321 still pending around 312 points, and then followed by 18,158. So one put option, always keep it in hand as a hero zero. Small put option, calculators risk even if it is fails. So next 2 days if it is goes down 475 points, that hero zero might give you ample amount of profit. So always keep it in hand, one small put option in hand. And these rest of the following 1365 points is that 1085 and 1705. So those targets we can focus on the next week or in the monthly. And the basic other rules, which anything above the volatile level 1, which is 0.42%, 78.2, mm, 6, 18,712, anything above this level, if pre-opening is there, means Nifty is in the bullish zone, so you can buy one call option as a hero zero. Anything below the volatile 2, which is 0.09%, 16.77, 18,650.62 below pre-opening, means you can buy one put option as a hero zero. And anything in between the volatile level 1 and volatile level 2, if pre-opening is in between those two levels, then you can buy one put option, combination, because it is in the volatile zone, so you need to buy combination hedging method as well. And the volatile stop loss for the bearish plus 10 points from this particular level, and Nifty is not breaking high, Nifty will fall down heavily. Likewise the same, this particular level 18,650.60, anything minus 10 points is not breaking this low, then Nifty has potential to recover. These are all the volatile stop loss for the bearish and bullish. And the other basic rule, resistance level 1, support level 1. So anything support level 1 not breaking, lower side minus 10 points from this particular level, Nifty has potential to go bullish. Or likewise the same, anything this particular level plus 10 points, Nifty is not breaking the high, Nifty has potential to fall down heavily towards any level. These are all the other basic rules as well. And positive average we have around 126 points, around 0.68%, 18,760 range. Likewise, the negative is not that much good, but still it's a decent number around 80 points, around 0.43%, 18,553. But if pre-opening is struggling to break the resistance level 1 high and opens negative and goes negative, it might go towards to up to average level, which is 254 points, 18,379 range. If anything beyond that level, we may not know, but still it has potential to go if it is high, is not breaking the resistance level 1. So we need to play little cautiously, but hedging method is advisable. Small and safe traders cautiously play because today the premium might eat both sides, so cautiously play. And other basic rule, anything below the par level, if pre-opening is below this level, 18,673, then Nifty might fall down towards lowest side, which is a 180 points, 18,452 up to that level. But if low is matching somewhere and then start to recover, that Nifty might recover towards to 18,700. So quite tough day to trade. So smaller safe traders cautiously play today, play with 0 0, and anything below the par value. I mean, anything below the previous closing, Nifty is in the bearish zone, so some decent negative, unflat negative is showing that is possible. But this key level is going to need watch 18,652. Anything below this level or anything above this level pre-opening, then according to that we can trade that trend. But anything above 18,673, then only bullish will take control until if it is trading in the flat positive up to 40 points, Nifty might struggle in between those levels. That is what that particular data is showing. And the expected closing numbers, we don't see, we don't have any negative side target much bigger, but we have positive side target up to 1492. But the key level which is going to be 18665. So this is going to be the key level. Anything above this, Nifty is trading, Nifty might go bullish. Anything below this level, Nifty might go towards the bearish. So we need to play much more cautiously today. Not going to be easy day to trade. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Wednesday. And the summary, so we have one bearish warning signal in hand. So hedging method is advisable to go, and the monthly target now become weekly because of the short point. And the tough fight will be there between 18,700 to 18,321. So you need to keep both options 0 0 in hand. But the points range is not much good comparing with the positive 126 versus 80 points both together, around 200 points range is there today. And as per CPR, it is showing bullish, but it is a once again flat CPR. So irrespective of the side, still has potential to go trending. Yesterday it has ended up in the flat finish, so still has potential 20% of the time close in the flat finish. So 40% chances to go bullish and 40% chances to go bearish. That is the scenario. So we can't easily predict the trend. It is a quite tough day. So play safe. But as per the one bearish warning rule, the conclusion is as per the one bearish warning rule, uh, normally it will fake fall and then go bullish. So that one call option hero zero you need to bet, because if it is not happens and the fake fall and then start to go bearish, means we will not lose money. This is going to be a calculated risk we are taking, because most of the time it fake falls and goes to bullish. If it is not happens, we should not get affected by this call option, so we need to take it as a hero zero. And then one put option also need to keep it and as a hero zero. Why? Because the negative targets are little heavy as well. And combination, you need to bet 250 points gap. For example, if pre-opening is somewhere 18,550 range, if it is there, then you need to buy 18,500 or 18,400, 450, like that call option. If you are buying call option, then the above strike price you need to have a gap between 250 points to 300 points range. So minimum you need to buy gap between 250 points range. So 18,500 call option if you are buying, then you need to buy 18,750 put option. So the gap between 250 points range, but the equal amount of points need to be there. If it is traded somewhere around 140 to 150 or 160, it has to be this particular also need to be almost the same range. 5 to 10 20 points difference is there, that is fine. So you need to bet the combination with the range like that, because the premium should have to be somewhere around 50 or 40 30 points difference will be there always. So the total risk will be somewhere around 50 points. If this fails, it might not go beyond the loss of 50 points if you take these kind of combinations. That is the idea. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Wednesday. Thank you.